Hey guys, Tricky Vinny here, and this is a beginning tutorial on how to juggle 3 balls, like this. Let's get into it. If you're going to learn to juggle, you're going to need 3 balls. Really, most things will work. I'd recommend getting a set off Amazon, or there's some good videos about how to make your own out of balloons. Once you've got your 3 juggling balls, you're ready to go. First things first, you're going to drop 2 of those balls. With the first ball, you want to keep pretty good posture with your elbows at around a 90-degree angle. The first throw, you want to go about your head height, a little higher. You want to get really good at keeping consistent throws back and forth. One thing you can try is you can try to keep the hand you're throwing to still and throw it and try and move your hand as little as possible so that you know you're throwing accurately. You don't want to throw it and then have to move your hand to catch it. Once you're really consistent and accurate, you're ready for ball number 2. Once you've got your 2 balls, you're going to try doing this. 1, 2, catch, catch. 1, 2, catch, catch. What you're doing is you're doing the same thing like throwing the first ball, but when the ball is at its highest point, around a little higher than your head, you're going to throw the second ball, like this. 1, 2, catch, catch. 1, 2, catch, catch. Once you're confident with that, and you've done it a bunch, you can switch directions. Start with your other hand. 1, 2, catch, catch. 1, 2, catch, catch. Once you're good going both ways, you can connect it. And so right when you catch the next one, you throw it again. And you can pretend like you're throwing a third ball in the middle. And that's what it's going to feel like when you're juggling 3 balls. Once you're really, really good at that, it's time for ball number 3. When you're juggling with 3 balls, to start, you need 2 balls in one hand. The first ball, the back ball, is going to be between your palm and your ring finger and your pinky finger. Then the third ball is going to be between your thumb, pointer, and middle finger, like that. Now, you're going to do the same thing you were doing with 2 balls, except with that extra ball right there. 1, 2, catch, catch. 1, 2, catch, catch. 1, 2, catch, catch. You need to be comfortable with throwing the second ball when you've got the second one in your hand, and catching the last ball with the other one in your hand. Throw, throw, catch, catch. But instead of catching that second ball, you're going to throw the third one, like this. Throw, 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 catch. Throw, 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 catch. Keep doing that 3-ball flash. That's when you throw all 3 balls and catch all 3 balls until you're really confident with that. Once you're confident with that, you can try doing 4 throws. 1, 2, 3, 4, catch. 1, 2, 3, 4, catch. Have a certain number in your mind that you know you're going to do it and stop there, rather than trying to keep going continuously and then end up dropping. Don't build bad habits like that. So, once you're confident with doing that, 1, 2, 3, 4, catch. You can try for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, catch. Then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, catch. Keep adding on to that until you can go continuously. One of the most important things you can do is just keep practicing. Practice, practice, practice. Find a routine, like do it every morning when you wake up, or right after lunch, or right before you go to bed, or while you're brushing teeth. Well, maybe not. Try and set aside 10 minutes of your day to just practice juggling. Every day, just do a little bit of practice. You'll keep getting better and better. One thing that's actually really helpful when you're learning to juggle is when you're practicing to juggle over a couch or your bed. This helps in multiple ways because one thing is, when people are first learning to juggle, a lot of times they'll go forward when they're juggling. And if you're standing against your bed or a couch, then you won't be able to walk forward and it'll keep you controlled. And also, you're going to be dropping a lot. And rather than having to bend all the way down to grab your balls, you can just pick them up right from your bed. This will make you more motivated to practice juggling, which is really important. And finally, the last thing I'll say that's so important is that juggling is not about catching the balls. It's about being able to throw the ball. And what I mean by that is that even if you're really good at catching them, like me, you'll have to be able to throw them accurately and consistently to be a good juggler. That's why having such good, consistent, accurate throws is so important. A really good juggler might even be able to do it with his eyes closed. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped, and if it did, and you don't want to miss my upcoming juggling tutorials and videos, if you hit that subscribe button, it would help both of us. Thanks so much. I'm Tricky Vanny. See ya.